how to hide number of reactions on Facebook. And okay guys, here in your mobile phone, go to Facebook application. Here in Facebook homepage, go to menu on the lower right side on your screen, tap menu. Here in menu, go to gear icon on the upper right side on your screen, tap gear icon. Here in settings and privacy and preference section, you can see here the reaction preferences. Okay, you can tap this. And now you can see here the hide number of reactions. So, okay, there are two options, on post from others and on your post. So you can enable or disable the on post from others by switching on the switch button on the right side. If you turn on this, you won't see the total number of reaction for post others shared to newsfeed, page, and groups. You will still see reaction count for post in other places, like marketplace, and for other content, like Reels. Your reaction to a post will still be visible to you and everyone else. And okay, you can enable or disable this by switching on and off the switch button on the right side. And also you can enable or disable the on your post. Okay, you'll have to do is switch on the switch button on the right side. So if this enable or turn on, other people won't see the total number of reactions under post you share to your profile. Reaction count will still appear on your post and other places like groups or on other content like Reels. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully enabled. Okay, you can enable or disable by switching on and off the switch button on the right side. And okay, we have successfully hide numbers of reactions on Facebook. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.